Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 30th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, linked down here at the end of the video in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the pound dollar on Friday didn't really do a whole heck of a lot. Very sideways price action. Now, one thing we have to keep in mind if we go back up to the daily is we are definitely in an uptrend, and I am definitely expecting it to eventually go up and take out the previous highs. So be very, very careful with your shorts on shorter time frames. It could continue up at really any time. But going down to the shorter time phase, I think this is actually pretty clearly 5 waves down right here. I think this is a wave A. To me, this is one, two, three waves up, one, two, three waves down, and then a repulsive up. That's a classic 3-3-5 pattern. I think this is very clearly an extending ABC also. So there's a good chance this has already made a wave B, already made a 78% fit bounce. Friday, I was saying that it was probably going to go up and make a double top right here, but when the euro dollar went up, this one didn't, which means that there probably is a lot of selling pressure, and which means that it probably is just going to end up going down and making that wave C. Like I said, the trend is very heavily up on the very high time frame, so be a little bit cautious. We may think this is what's going to happen on the 1 hour, but in reality, it just keeps on going up. But I think very likely it is going to end up doing something like this for an A, B, C correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.